Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.